Okay, so here we are. We're at, what's the temple called?
It's this temple. We're here.
That temple there.
Temple. What's the temple called, Sam?
I can't say it. Shri.
Shri.
Temple.
And what's it all about, Paul? Tell us all about it.
Well, I'm going to be respectful in this one.
Yes.
I'm not going to say it's a human barbecue area.
But
But if you look down here,
yes.
so just down here, actually they have just finished a cremation. So we are being a little bit respectful, and I'm not going to be counting or do cards. Just a little one.
But
It's where they cremate people, basically. Push them in the river. What a way to go. Cheap and cheap.
Wow. They put the bodies in the water, and it's holy water, obviously, just from the colour. And then they take them out and dry them out before they put them on the fire. And then if you really love them, you throw yourself in with them.
Oh, that's nice.
There's the next body going.
Okay.
They cover them in milk as well, somewhere.
Yeah.
They do all sorts.
Well, it's kind of serene, apart from the crap in the river. But,
I want, guys, this is where I'm going to end up.
really?
Yeah, free trip to Kathmandu.
We got to come back here.
And you're going to put me in there. They're shaving his head and his face and everything because he's going to burn the body. He's got the honour. He's obviously got a relative. We're guessing a little bit here.
Yeah.
But yeah. But he had a full head of hair when he was sitting next to the body.
So, okay, well we've seen this from the beginning, from him being washed in the river.
Head milk, suntan lotion.
He's been washed in the river. He said goodbye to his family and all the females in the family, and now it's the men's job to do the last little bit, finish it off, the grand finale.
Well, that's that. And as you can see, life goes on.
Yeah, full shopping at a funeral.
500, does it suit me?
Huh?
Does it suit me?
It does, yes,
Should I
it
get
does,
it?
Paul.
Should I get it?
It's definitely you. Everywhere. Monkeys everywhere, look. Monkeys. Look at it everywhere. Oh. Hello. He got one. He's got one, isn't he? Oh. Yeah, I know. I want that dress.
Yeah, exactly. If you remember the this, I've heard very hard to lose
I know. We've only,
to find myself.
only a few more steps to go. Paul, are you jealous?
Yeah.
Paul's jealous, isn't he? There's a big temple thing at the top.
What are we going to find at the top?
Monkeys.
Ourselves.
Are we?
Yes.
And this is the view of Kathmandu. Always want to say that. Well, that's quite impressive, isn't it?
the colours I want.
Do you know what this is about?
This is a giant stupa.
A stupa?
Stupid people, I suppose. I don't know. You've got twirly wheel things, you can do wheel.
Oh, where's the prayer wheel
Come with
thing?
me.
Prayer wheel.
You're going to have a lot of good luck.
Oh, he's been told off. Oh, it's all going off.